I got a Thredup box in the mail. So basically, if you don't know, Thredup is like a site or an app where you can like do online thrifting, and they also have a thing where you can get a box sent to you of items personalized to your taste or your style, and then you can try them out and then send back the ones that you decide not to get. So basically, it's like a style box or a clothing subscription box, and I have one box here with me, and I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you all of the items and seeing if they're good. I have tried a few different style boxes in the past from different companies. Some of them have been good, some of them have been not so good, and we're gonna find out where this ranks. So I have no idea what's going to be in my box. I believe I filled out some sort of questionnaire with my style and clothing preferences, but I haven't seen many unboxings of this box, so I don't know what types of clothing are in these boxes, but I know it's thrifted items. But anyways, let's just start unboxing because I want to find out what's in this box. So first, let me show you the box. It has a bunch of like teal polka dots all over it, and then on the top of it says Thredup, and then on the side it says thread, and then up, and then on the other side it says no polka dot left unturned. I have no idea what that is supposed to mean, but anyways, let's open it. I should probably get scissors or something. Yeah. Okay, so I have my miniature little scissors, and I'm just gonna do what you do with scissors. Okay, cute. So we have right here, let me open up this. We have another polka dotted little envelope thing. Okay, so we have my return shipping label and probably a note of some sort. And then this is everything that is in it, so I won't look at that yet. And this is a cute little notebook that I guess says a little bit about the company. And on to the box. So let's open it. Okay, wait, this looks good. I already see purses, which I'm so excited about. Okay, cute. Okay, I need to set this down. Okay, so I've brought a little table in front of me. So I have the box with everything in it right here. Let me just show you again what it looks like on the inside. So this is everything that you can see immediately. And it looks like it is packed full of items. Also, this box was like a $10 box, but also the $10 will go towards what you keep. So I'm just gonna get started and pull out the first item. So purses. We have 3 different purses. First, we have this little like clutch. It is like an alligator skin that is gray. This is from this brand right here. So I'm gonna open it and see. Okay, so we have a gold chain, which love that. Okay, cute. So this is also like a little, you know, cute. I don't love the color. I don't love gray in like a purse. So this doesn't like look like something that like I want to add to my wardrobe, but I think it's a cute bag. And I absolutely love that they sent multiple purses, but you can see that it's got like 2 different pockets and then a middle zipper pouch that opens. So that's fun. I love that. Next one, let's do this. Oh, this is cute, little like wallet little thing. So this is like a kind of a dusty navy blue, and it's from Coach, and it's got a little zipper on the front that has that little pocket, and then it's got the main pocket right here, and then that's like double-sided. Oh, and it's got a bunch, you probably cannot see it at all, but it's got a bunch of little like slots for like credit cards or gift cards or whatever, ID, whatever you want to put in there, and then I guess a little slot for like dollars. So I love the idea of this. I kind of love the color, but I don't have a lot of this color in my wardrobe, so it would not match kind of anything, but it's kind of cute. Okay, so the last little bag, this is a little black handbag thing, wallet, clutch, whatever you want to call it. So we've got the long strap, and then there's the bag, and this feels very smooth. It's got like another faux alligator style skin and a little gold emblem on the front. That's cute. And then you open it up and it's basically just like a fancy wallet. So you've got multiple pouches, you got a zippered pouch, you got all the credit card slots. So I kind of love this, though I did just get this black bag purse thing, and I don't think I need another black one because I love this one so much. But this is super handy, and I kind of love all of these. Also, I didn't realize earlier, but the straps are actually unclaspable. So you can take those off and it can just be like a little wallet or a clutch. So that's kind of cute. Okay, next clothing. I'm seeing some cute things. This is interesting. Oh, it's from Forever 21. Fun. Okay, so I love Forever 21. But this is the first clothing item. It is a dress. It's kind of like an old couch fabric pattern, which I honestly don't hate the look of that in a clothing sometimes. So this could be fun. It looks fitted. It's got long sleeves. It's cute, kind of. I think it's cute. It's like slightly ugly, but also mostly cute. It's kind of like a swimsuity type of material. It's stretchy and it looks nice. So I want to try this on. Okay, this does not fit at all. It has the right size on the tag, but this is like nowhere near being the size that it claims to be. But let me just, it's also, you can't really see, but it's like, it's really short. Oh my gosh, it is so tight. I'm like, ugh. But yeah, here it is. I don't hate the fabric pattern. The fit, so awful. So I'm just gonna go change. Okay, next, I think this is another dress, so let's go with it. Okay, fun. So this is from One Clothing, and it is a little romper, which I love rompers. So we've got a little like V-neck, like cross fabric thing. We've got like a shoulder slit, and then like the little side sleeve. It's a very scrunchy material, but yeah, it has pockets in the sides, so that's nice. Little flowy pant legs. I think this will be really cute. We'll see how it looks. Like, I like the pattern, and I think it could be cute, but we'll see how it looks on. I think I might have to hold this up here the whole time because it is very low cut. But here it is. I think this could be cute. The like bottom portion of it is unflattering. I feel like it needs to be flowier. I mean, I kind of like it. It's kind of flattering. It's just very... But other than that, like, I don't mind the fabric of it. Most of the fit is pretty good. Got a little shoulder action. It's kind of cute, but like, for reasons, I shall not keep this. So, moving on. Okay, this might be another dress of sorts. Yes, it is. This is a navy and white polka dotted dress. I'm not a huge fan of that coloring pattern, but it's from New York & Company. Yeah, I don't think I would like this so much. It looks kind of big too, like it looks like it might not fit. It does have some pockets, and it's kind of like the same like swimsuity like type material. Got a little like V slit in the neck, and it looks like the skirt of it would be kind of flowy. So I'll see how that looks. I don't think this is really my style. Okay, so this one, it feels like a little big, like in like the shoulder area. The waist, it's kind of big, but I don't hate the fit. Also, the waistline's like really low. It's like kind of on my natural waist, but this top goes up so high because it's like a straight cut up to your shoulders that it just makes it look like there's just so much fabric up here. I hate the polka dots, or I hate how like giant the polka dots are. I don't mind the silhouette. I kind of like the up and down with a slightly cinched waist and slightly flowy bottom. It's honestly like kind of like a V and then another V. I don't mind the silhouette. I don't like the little like straight V and then like neckline thing that's going on. So yeah, this is the next one. Okay, next, I think this is like bottoms. So this looks really fun and actually really, oh, this looks so cute. This is a white and like black, like kind of stripy skirt. So that looks so cute. And I think these are real pockets. Yes, they are. So I love that. Anyways, it's got a zipper in the back so that you could easily put it on. It looks cute. So this is from H&M actually. So it makes sense. That's one of my favorite stores. So I will try this on and see how I like it. Okay, so the next one is the skirt. I have it on right now. Let me just tell you, it does not fit. It is in the right size, but I have had trouble with H&M sizes and they run smaller than normal. So anyways, this is very, very small and it is not zipping up. And it's because their sizing is just so whack. But let me show it to you. might have been cute if it fit, but it does not. So I'm gonna take it off right now. Okay, next, this looks like not so much my style. This is a kind of lacy mesh gray skirt. I never realized, but I don't think I really like wearing the color gray. So, oh no. This is from Banana Republic, which I actually used to work there. I never bought anything there, mostly because of the price, but also because I don't really like the style. But yeah, there's a little like slit in the back. It's like a pencil skirt kind of deal. I think this is gonna be not cute at all. And it's a size big too, so we'll see how that works. This one was like a size up from what my size typically would be. I don't hate the fit. It feels too big, but I could definitely wear this and be able to pull it off. The only problem is I hate it. It's so ugly. It's just really bad. So yeah. Next one. Okay, this next item looks cute. It is a jacket. Oh, well, it's This is from Old Navy. It is like a leather style jacket, except it is not leather. It is like fabric. It's got like the same like style and like vibe that a leather jacket would have. At first it looks cute, but now it looks less cute. But this could be fun. It could be cute. It could be. It might be. I'm gonna see if it's cute and try it on. I'm just gonna pair it with the same exact outfit. Here it is. Actually, I'm gonna grab a lighter top so you can actually see it. So here it is. I would never wear a black jacket with this outfit, and I would never wear this outfit in general. But anyways, here is the jacket. I don't hate it. I think it's a nice jacket. I'm just more of like an either cropped or oversized jacket kind of person, and this is a very like in the middle, like generic jacket length. So I probably don't love it enough to keep it, but it's a fine jacket. There's nothing wrong with this at all. Okay, I think this is another jacket, which looks kind of fun, honestly. This is from Marona, which I think is like a Target brand, which I used to get things from there all the time because I used to not know where to shop. But this looks kind of cute. It's like a little rain jacket, windbreaker style thing. It's a like light peachy pink and white pattern. I'll show a close up. So it looks like that could be cute and very my type of item. So I'm gonna try this on and see how I like it. Okay, I kind of love this jacket. It's got the claspy buttons, it's got the zipper, but this is really cute. I kind of love this. This is so cute. I like this. I want to find out the price of this, and I think out of all of them, this would be the only one that I would consider keeping. So this one, it's the Marona one. So supposedly the original price, or the estimated original price for that one would be $50, but they are pricing it at $24.99. So that's not a bad price. So I'm going to consider keeping that one. But I did also want to go ahead and say what the prices of all of these would have been. So the first one, the woman's Giorgio Costa leather clutch, retail price was $260. Thredup price is $29.99. So that's a big difference. The Banana Republic casual skirt, originally around $60, Thredup price $37.99, which is not a very big drop at all. The woman's Mia K. Farrow collection crossbody, originally $74, Thredup price $19.99. The woman's New York & Company casual dress, originally $60, Thredup price $18.99. Woman's One Clothing Romper, originally $36, Thredup price $20.99. The woman's Forever 21 casual dress, originally $25, Thredup price $16.99. The woman's Coach Factory leather wristlet, originally $68, Thredup price is $26.99. The woman's H&M casual skirt, originally $34, Thredup price was $16.99. And the woman's Old Navy jacket, originally $60, Thredup price $25.99. So some of these are pretty good prices compared to the original. Some of them are really not that different. But like, I guess you're saving the environment a little bit by not buying it new and instead buying it thrifted. So that's good. But anyways, that's going to be all of the video. I'm probably going to end up keeping this so that my $10 that I spent on the box goes towards something. But I'm not keeping any of the others because I didn't love any of them, though the purses were cute. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Also, if you want to see more style box, clothing box unboxings, or any other type of box, comment below. Either like if you want to see that or if you have a specific box in mind that you think I should unbox, because I will 100% go look into it. But yeah, that's going to be all. I post videos twice a week. Also, Christmas is coming soon, or like December, and I will be doing Vlogmas, posting vlogs every single day of December from the 1st to the 25th. Although technically I'm posting on the 2nd to the 26th because you post the day after. So you can subscribe to my channel if you want to see that. Also, you can go check out my social media in the description. And anyways, I will see you next week. Bye!